Are you struggling to make sense of your analytical data and looking for a hassle-free solution? Current business analytics solutions are complicated, expensive, and lack the ability to analyze large amounts of complex data in a user-friendly and timely manner. INFINIT Dimensions is a next-generation data warehouse automation and advanced analytics solution. It allows you to consume data your way, using the tools you already love with an easy-to-use web interface, real-time analytics, and it is easily accessible on all devices including mobile, tablets, PCs, and Macs. INFINIT Dimensions is completely tailored to your needs. We created it to be optimized for decision makers. When you start, a data architecture engineer is available to guide you through the setup process. By using Dimensions, it allows you to focus on running your business using key business metrics that impact your bottom line. Call us on 1-866-364-2007 or email us at dimensions@infiniteconsulting.com to get started today.